A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are good. Today we continue the same chapter, Geography, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Today we discuss about the montane forest. These forests are found in the mountain areas of India. They are divided into two types, Himalayan forest and peninsular forest in south. Now the types of mountains. First one is the wet temperate forest. Second one is the temperate forest and third one is the alpine vegetation. वेट टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट में एल्टीट्यूड कितना हो जाता है बेटा 1000 to 2000 मीटर हो जाता है. ट्रीज यहाँ पर कौन कौन से ओक एंड चेस्टनट एंड एरियाज जो यहाँ पर है वो है नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड उत्तराखंड. नाउ द सेकंड वन इज द टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट 2000 to 3000 मीटर. Trees pine, deodar, silver, fir and sandar, and these are mostly found in Kashmir Valley. Now the third one is the alpine vegetation, that is about 3600 meters, and silver, fir and pines are trees and Pir Panchal ranges में mostly ये हमें देखने को मिलते हैं. These forests are found between the 1000 meter to 2000 meter. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujars and Bakarwalas. Areas which it covers is tropical to the tundra region, and vegetation is the oaks, chestnut, piedmont, pine, deodar, silver, fir, sandar, silver, juniper, pines, mosses, lichens and birches. And animals, Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack, rabbit, Tibetan antipole, yak, snow leopard, squirrels and many others. यहाँ पर मोस्टली बेटा वो एनिमल्स पाए जाते हैं जहाँ पर ये देखा जाता है जिनके फर बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, क्योंकि ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा होती है जिसकी वजह से वो प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए उनके जो बॉडी है उन पे हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है. Now the next one is the mangrove forest. They are found on coast and it's influenced by the tides. The roots of plants are submerged under the water, and areas the deltas of Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri. And vegetation mainly यहाँ जो पाया जाता है वो है सुंदरी trees, hard timber, palm, coconut, कोरिया एंड अगर. सुंदरी ट्रीज यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है और आपको मालूम है सुंदरबन डेल्टा भी बहुत फेमस है. सुंदराबन डेल्टा भी इसे कहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको मोस्टली सुंदरी ट्रीज ही देखने को मिलता है. एंड एनिमल्स रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर, टर्टल्स, क्रोकोडाइल, ये सब एनिमल्स यहाँ पर फाइंड होते हैं. एंड दैट इज द पिक्चर ऑफ सुंदरी ट्रीज ऑफ सुंदरबंस वेस्ट बंगाल. आप देख रहे हैं कितने बड़े बड़े पेड़ हैं और सब पानी के पास हैं. ये जितनी भी रूट्स होती हैं सब किसके अंदर होती हैं, पानी में होती हैं. Now the wildlife in India. India has more than 89,000 animal species. In India, the elephant, the most majestic mammal, are found in the hot wet forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros live in Swampy and the marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Arid areas of Rann of Kutch and the Thar deserts are the rabbit habitat for wild ass and camels respectively. Indian basin, nilgai and gazelles are also found there. India is only the country having the lion and tigers. Asiatic lion is found in Gir forest in Gujarat. Tigers are found in the forests of Madhya Pradesh, Sundarbans of West Bengal and Himalayan region. Ladakh's freezing cold is the home of yak and shaggy horned wild dogs and Tibetan antelopes, bears, snow leopards and very rare red panda. In the rivers, lakes and coastal areas, turtle, crocodile, gharials are found, and latter is the only representative of the varieties of the crocodile. Now the wildlife. India has the tremendous levels of plants and animal species on earth. The plant and animals percentage on earth is getting decreased due to the various reasons. क्या रीजन है कि धीरे धीरे ये कम हो रहा है बेटा? एक तो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, फॉरेस्ट आर बीइंग कट फॉर एक्सपेंशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांस ऑफ लाइक malls in the forest area. Increasing the population has resulted in clearing lands for agriculture, human settlement, roads and extra. Hunting is also one of the reasons in which many animals are killed for their skin products extra, increasing the pressure on the forest for fodder, fuel and wood. And lots of forests are destroyed due to the natural causes like forest fire and earthquake also. Now there is a difference between the national park and sanctuaries. National parks हम किसे कहते हैं? A national park is more restricted area as compared to the wildlife sanctuaries. Various geographical habits is provided for the scientific education recreation. There are 92 national parks in India, like the Bharatpur National Park in Rajasthan. And sanctuaries, it is a large area which is utilized for the conservation of animal life. There are 492 wildlife sanctuary in an area. Example is the Gir Bird Sanctuary in Gujarat. Now the steps taken by the government. 14 biosphere reserves has been set up in the country to protect the flora and fauna. The Sundarban in the West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, the Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu, and the Nilgiri in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Government has also provided the financial and technical assistance to many biotical gardens since 1992. Many projects have been introduced by the government like Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard. ये सब प्रोजेक्ट्स ये होते हैं जिसमें जैसे प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर है, प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर में ये बोला जाता है कि हाँ, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसमें टाइगर्स को हम लोग सेव करके रखते हैं. गवर्नमेंट हैज आल्सो सेट अप 89 नेशनल पार्क्स, 49 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens take care of the national heritage. Hope you understood. Thank you.